Sunday, Beacons Hill. We're out with the Suffolk bike family. Can you notice the bikes are rather a bit different? Ducati. Suffolk handy, look. Are you alright? Are you at the back? Thailand Charlie.
Dave, will your coffee cup stay there?
He's like, yeah, I'll be alright. Will your skull stay on there? Just mind the wet.
20 years.
Mind the wet bits. They're slippery as hell on the road. Greasy. Dave, live from the Beacon Hill A140 roundabout with the mighty Suffolk bike family heading to Waikers near Brandon. The route just took us through Rougham industrial area, which is fantastic. Who doesn't like a bit of industrial on a bike run? By the way, Wiggy, your bike sounds sweet as a nut. Have you any baffles? What a gorgeous day, isn't it? Don't think I've ever been around here on one's motorcycle. Plenty of times in the old Arctic boy, in the old Mercedes Atros. Green King have got a warehouse now. That's Skechers, where you get your Skechers from. But yeah, it's one of them over there. I think that further one, not the Irvy one, but the other one. I think Green King are in there now. Green King IPA. Alright, love. Oh, and Del Boy's favourite is about a quarter of a mile over there. Oh, Sealy, the headquarters of Sealy, the Chinese shit. If it's gonna break, it's gonna say Sealy on it. Morning. Anyway, that's enough ranting for 1 minute. This is what it's all about, isn't it, eh? The woods help as well. Look, this is Thetford Forest, I would say, out this way. Oh, what a great run with a great bunch of blokes. Elverton, lovely through here. They've got one of them holiday places, oh, Centre Parks, isn't it? Through here and go ape shit as you do. I have done that in a few years ago. Young Dion, oh, he's gone to a car boot sale this morning. Might give him 50 quid. Morning! Having breakfast. Wonderful. This is that's nice out here, isn't it? I always say that, don't I? Because there's trees. We're now going over the A11. This has all changed here. It never used to be like this. The roads, I meant. Oh, we're going to go past Centre Parks. Here it is. Here, look. Look. If you want an expensive pint of beer, that's your place to go. Oh my god. Hey, I'm glad I come on this rod. As we were out yesterday, we had a great day with the Suffolk cruisers yesterday. Welcome to Brandon. Morning, 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 morning. Welcome to America. Oh no, sorry. Our little bit of America, Lakenheath. I don't know what, there's some fighter group in there. Usually during the week when the planes are taking off, there's usually a good number of people at the viewpoint and at the end of the runway, which we just passed, watching all the planes with their big green long lens cameras. You know, like the old boys from the Sun have got. Newspaper, that is. This is the Lakenheath Golf Course on my right. If you notice, they try not to put too many corners in the road around Lakenheath because it's very well known that Americans can't do corners. Known fact. Yeah, as we come up to the end here, we'll have a look and I'll tell you what, fighting segment of the American Air Force. This is much like where I live now, at Rendlesham. This is what it more or less was. You know, in the, before the Americans came out of Bentwaters, that was what this is. If you look at the style of housing here over to the right, very similar to Avocet Mews at Rendlesham's. That's obviously the domestic area here. It's the home of the 48th Fighter Wing, would that be FW? Yeah, probably. Oh, other news. Somebody obviously dropped a tin of Sprite in between Stowmarket and Woolpit, along the A14 because there was one on the road and it bounced up and I chipped it with me ankle of me boot. That was full, so I reckon that was a can of Sprite or something, fell out of somebody's bag or rucksack. Here we are, Walker's Calf. Dave has sort of ended up at the back here. Can't go down. Park in the puddle. Oh, look at that. I've seen that before, haven't you? Kawasaki, Honda. He's falling in the water. He's falling in the water, Chris. Oh, he's going, look. That'll do. They're going in there, look. I'm going to go right down the bottom there, but get through the water, ya chickens. Only a bit of water, but morning. There was a bloke come past on a Hayabusa. I don't think he was with this lot, but he's a rather large, rotund chap. We'll see if we'll see him in a minute. Royal Enfield, Royal Enfield, Royal Enfield, Royal Enfield. That'll do. Look at that, perfect. Z900. Walkers, cool, look at that. Yank tank. That's a goddamn Mustang over there. Walkers. Seen enough? R6. What a car. There's a food bike skit here on a Sunday, isn't there? Right. Get a blue. Well, that was Walkers. Walkers Talkers. Let's go home. What is it? 1:30. Fucking hell. Past the one. KTM. Is that you in front, Eddie? No. Anyway, been a good day. It's nice to come out with some few different brothers. Strange old bastard roundabout this, isn't it? So with that, if nothing dodgy happens on the way back, we'll see you on the next one. This has been another Bell End production by you know who. Triple Dave, right again.